Have you guys need very good and easy and very best recipe yummy. So please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friends. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm doing very nice, very easy and very quick recipe. This recipe's name is Louki. You can call Louki, you can call Ghiya. I don't know what is it, the other name, Ghiya Louki potato salad. You can say the recipe is foods. So this recipe is so delicious. It's so easy way. I'll show you guys how to make this one, and very quick. So my channel have 2 language videos. So this one is in English. So let's get started. Before I'm starting the all ingredients, I want to tell you guys, please, if you are am I already subscriber, thank you so much. Join me again. If you are new, please click the red button and press the bell icon, share with your family friend. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. So this one I'm just showing you guys. I have just 1 Louki, you can call Ghiya Louki, and I have 3 and 4 medium sized potato, 1 onion, there's some of tomatoes, some of the green chili, 1 and ginger and garlic, then onions, some everything I've cut on the pieces. Then I show you guys. I just want to show you guys like this, so then you go easily know what is this. So I'm cut all of them this one, and I'm showing you guys step by step, and please keep watching step by step. So if you want to your recipe very good and delicious and no mistakes. So I'm cut this one, then I show you guys after. So next step is I can take a fry pan. You can take fry pan and pot what you're making foods. It depend on you which one you need, the pot and the fry pan. So I get it. This is a karahi. I'm making this fry pan, and then need 1 cup of oil, not 1 cup, and then like 4 or 5 tablespoons. So I'm adding this is a onion, 1 onion. I'll show you guys already. So this is I make it the light brown, and I tell you guys, I'll give you guys with the tips, 3-4 tips, and this will make your food easy. So light brown with the onion done, then after I'll show you next step what we do next. So when it's light brown done, we don't want to make like black, we just make like light brown. After when it's done light brown, then I'm showing you guys. Oh, this one is the light brown onion done right now. So I want to give you a tip right now. One tip is that, say however you want to be, this is a onion is on perfect, and same time like now like some have brown, some have not brown. So just put in the pinchy some of like this pinchy some of salt. So putting in that, then you see that's very good brown onion. So, and the second tip is right now I give you, this one is that when we making a vegetable, when you need for dark brown onion, we need just light brown, so the vegetable color is good. So right now I'm adding the 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and 1 is green chili. So 1 minute cook. After which one I put in, I'll show you guys. Just 1 minute. So I'm giving third tip. The third tip is this for the green chili. Right now you putting this time. So this is the good taste on the vegetables. So if you guys not like too much spices, so you can add just green chili and black pepper. You need not too much spices. You cannot use it the red chili powder if you no need for the too much spices. So just put adding the black pepper powder. So other spices I'll show you guys which one I'm using. So first we done with this materials. After 1 minute I'm gonna show you guys. So 1 minute is done now. Now I'm adding this. I show you guys the tomato, 3 medium sized tomato. I cut slice like that. Slow to medium gas. I'm not adding water. So just mix it up right now like this. Very easy way, not too much hard work. Very easy way. So I'm covered up right now. No adding water, nothing. Just covered up right now. Just like little bit more for like 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes I'm adding the masalas, and look that this is gas is slow, but like medium to slow gas. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I'm show you how look like. Then we adding the masalas. So I'm cutting this the Ghiyas and Louki and Ghiya whatever and potato. After 5 minutes I see how it look like now. Right now is soggy tomato. Look that. So this point we adding is spices. So what spices I have? masala. I'll show you guys. This one I have, and first I tell you guys, if you guys like spices, so skip this one, red chili powder, just adding it the black pepper powder. So if you need less, like no spices, so you can skip this red chili powder, you can add it the black pepper powder. So 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder. I mix it up and blend together. So I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Right now I have half teaspoon. This is I can call it a kasuri methi, and ingredient is name on comment on it, so you can see which one is the name. So this one is, if you guys know half, so you skip on just for aroma and good taste. For this is the aroma is coming very good. So I'm adding this one inside spices. So 5 minutes is already done with the tomatoes. So more 5 minutes we have to cook with this. So I'm not adding water. If you guys want to add the water, just put like 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. So cover up again like this. So I'm telling you guys, I'm done with the tomato cut like this slices. So now I'm cut the ghiya. So after I'm show you guys. After 5 minutes, I'm show you guys how it looks like. And again after 5 minutes, look at that. So this situation, I'm adding now tomato inside. Sorry, potato. Tomato is normal right now like this. So if I'm making like chicken and other, I'm giving you guys tips. The chicken, and this is the fourth tips. I give you guys have making chicken and mutton and beef. So this masala we have to make more like cook. So but right now we making a vegetable like this masala is good to vegetable taste coming with masala is good like that. So right now I'm putting these, adding inside the potato cut slices. I'll show you guys already. I peel off and cut slices. So I'm adding right now. Some people at the same time adding is a tomato, potato, and the Ghiya Louki. So but I'm not adding the same time. After 5 minutes I'm adding the inside the Ghiya Louki, what I was saying, the new language. So this again I'm showing you guys. Look, I'm cutting slice like this, is like this. Good, beautiful color. So I'm cutting slices like this. It depends on you. I'm going to make small slices, but this slice is very good for like very good this much slices. So now I'm cover up like this, low to medium, or again 5 minutes. After then 5 minutes I'm adding this here inside. So after 5 minutes I'll show you how it look like. Again 5 minutes is done for potato, and I tell you, my YouTuber families, this is some people using same time adding is potato and the Louki Ghiya, whatever vegetable I'm using. So I'm just using after 5 minutes because I need not too much cook like this. So I'm adding the water inside, so it's not black. This is a tip. If you want to, have time, you want to cut and put it back inside. So if you're not adding the water, the color is like not good black, turn black and like brown, not good color. Have you put in the water? So it's like same like fresh color. Look. So I'm adding right now. So I'm not adding water because I'm already putting the water. So water is already coming inside the vegetables is here. So have you just cut right away? Just put in half cup of water. So right now I'm cooking is mix it up. So this point you can check and taste in the salt and the spices. So if you need more salt, you can adding it more. It's depend on your taste spices. I tell you guys, and I give you tips if you don't need spices putting inside, you don't like spicy foods. So can you just using on the same way, skip the red pepper powder, just using the red chili powder, just using the black pepper powder. So on this recipe same I have in the Urdu language, and the other recipes come a link on it. So please visit the cooking heart rich food recipes with Yasmin, my channel name. So please and watch the videos, and there are so many videos, so many vlogs, so many like recipes on it. So after 5 to 10 minutes, and after 5 minutes, every 5 minutes I'm going to take it out the top and just mix it up, then again putting back, cover up. So when it's done with the cook, then I show you guys. Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. So when it's done, it look like right now like that. After 10 to 15 minutes, it's slow to medium gas. I'm not for higher. So after 10 minutes, look like that. It's almost done. So yummy. So look at that. You check this plate. Yeah, it's done. Now check here. Oh, it's done now. Yeah, it's both done. So look at that. It's oil coming up. So it means it's done. It's so delicious aroma coming. So good. So now I'm adding some of beautiful colors. Four colors and more. Some green chilies. You can skip it if you guys don't need it. And some of junior cut of gingers. Some of bunch of coriander leaf fresh. So mix up. Together and close the stones, close the gas. This is done now. So you can eat this when it's a chapati, naan with the rice, bread. This is food is done now. So easy way. You know guys, it's Ramzan coming, so we have to eat the vegetables and easy way, quick way, and very enough time, not take it too much long time. So this is recipe very good for that. If you like this recipe, please kindly subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share with your family friend. Thank you so much for my channel. Keep watching my video. Please comment more and very good and very delicious videos. If any recipe you like it, please comment below. So I'm making that easy for you guys. And any question you guys have for this recipe, just comment below. Thank you for watching. Keep watching for next video. Bye.